Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this repair: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a cleaning brush. Before diving in, ensure the vacuum cleaner is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Start by removing the dust container. Press the release button and pull it out gently. This allows for easier access to the internal components. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws on the back cover of the vacuum. Keep these screws safe, as you will need them to reassemble the vacuum later. If you notice any debris or dust inside, take this opportunity to clean it out. A clean vacuum works much more efficiently. Once the back cover is off, you will see the motor and the brush assembly. Inspect the brush for any tangled hair or debris. Use your cleaning brush to remove any obstructions. This is a common issue that can significantly affect performance. Now, let's check the motor. If you suspect that it might not be functioning correctly, consider that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This can save you time and effort if the issue is too complex. If the motor appears damaged or worn out, it may need to be replaced. Moving on, check the belt that connects the motor to the brush. If it's frayed or broken, it will need to be replaced. You can find replacement belts easily online or at your local hardware store. Make sure to install the new belt properly. It should be snug but not overly tight. Reassemble the vacuum by first placing the back cover back on and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Remember to replace the dust container as well. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to DIY, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service allows you to have your vacuum repaired without the hassle of transporting it yourself. After reassembly, plug in the vacuum and test it out. Make sure the brush is rotating properly and that there are no unusual noises coming from the motor. If everything seems to be working well, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Rowenta Xplorer Series 20. If you still encounter issues, consider giving us a call. No calls, no travel is our motto, and we can provide a quote before repair. This way, you'll know what to expect in terms of cost before proceeding. Always remember to perform regular maintenance on your vacuum to prolong its life. Cleaning the filters and brush regularly can prevent many common issues. With proper care, your Rowenta vacuum can serve you effectively for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.